Investing in Bitcoin on Coinbase is straightforward and can be done in a few steps. Create an account. Sign up for a Coinbase account on their website or mobile app. Complete the verification process by providing the required personal information and verifying your identity. Deposit funds. Deposit funds into your Coinbase account using various methods such as bank transfer, debit or credit card, or cryptocurrency transfer from another wallet. Navigate to Bitcoin. Once your account is funded, navigate to the Bitcoin section on the Coinbase platform. Purchase Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and select your preferred payment method. Review the transaction details, including fees, and confirm your purchase. Secure storage. After purchasing Bitcoin, consider transferring it to a secure wallet for long-term storage. Coinbase provides a built-in wallet, but for added security, consider using a hardware wallet or a software wallet with private key control. Monitor your investment. Keep track of your Bitcoin investment through the Coinbase platform. Monitor price movements, set price alerts, and stay informed about market trends and news that may impact the value of your investment. Sell or trade. You can sell your Bitcoin investment on Coinbase at any time, converting it back to fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies. Additionally, Coinbase offers trading features for more advanced users who want to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies actively. Stay informed. Stay informed about the cryptocurrency market and Bitcoin's development to make informed investment decisions and manage your portfolio effectively.